Greetings, River Lady here, and it's October 30th, and we got an autumn snowfall snowstorm / snow something. And I wanted to talk to you about what to do when you get heavy snow on your plants in autumn and you haven't tended to your plants yet. You haven't wrapped your hydrangeas, you haven't tended to your roses. What are you supposed to do when they're covered with heavy snow and they're laden and falling to the ground? Let me show you. Here's my big daddy. Oh my dear, it's just drooping. And over there, my endless summer. It's flat to the ground. Oh my goodness. And come over here with me. And if I go flat on my face, you have permission to laugh. Here you see my panico. Yeah, they're laughing. My panico hydrangea and my forsythia. Everything's just drooping under the weight of the snow. All right, I get it. You think it's funny. Okay, so what do you do when this happens? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Don't do a thing. Don't go pushing at the snow. Don't rub at it with a broom. Don't try to knock the snow off your plants. Here you can see my rose bush, my clematis vine, my Nico hydrangea. He's buried and he's lying flat. Another rose bush. Over here, oh, this is what my twist and shout looked like yesterday. It was beautiful set against my alpine daisies. And now look at my twist and shout. And look at my alpine daisies. Look at my grasses. They're flat. Flat like pancakes. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, River Lady, wait a minute. I need to help these plants. I need to fix this. No, what you need to do is let Mother Nature take care of it. It's October. The snow's not going to be here forever. It's supposed to be in my area, which is Massachusetts outside of Boston. It's supposed to be in the 40s tomorrow. All this snow will gently melt away. But if you start whacking at your plants, you risk breaking stems and damaging them. The snow did not dump on the plants in one big whoosh. No, the snow came down gradually and the plants yielded to the weight of the snow. And the snow will melt and the plants will come back. And then when you get your plants back, you can take away any damaged branches. But until then, I want you to do what Harley's doing. I want you to enjoy the snow. I want you to get outside. I want you to smell the fresh air and spend a little time enjoying Mother Nature's artwork. Make sure your feeders are filled. So if you don't have seed in your feeders, then get those filled so that the birds can eat. So that's it. That's all I have for you today. Fill your feeders, make a cup of tea, make a cup of mulled cider, bake muffins, put some cinnamon in it, fill your house with aromas, and let Mother Nature handle removing the snow from your plants. And I will say, happy autumn.